Welcome to Gossip About Gossip, powered by Hedera Hashgraph. In each episode, we'll cut through the hype of blockchain promises and explore real-world examples of organizations creating the next generation of decentralized applications, which will bring trust back to the internet for us all.
Hello, and welcome to the latest episode of Gossip About Gossip, the podcast where we talk about real-world solutions being built on top of Hedera. My name is Zenobia Gottschalk, and I'm the SVP of Communications at TRM Labs, helping build out the Hedera ecosystem. Today, I'm joined by Joe McGill from TRM Labs. Hi, Joe. How are you?
Hey, doing well. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. For our audience, can you tell us a little bit about what TRM Labs does?
Yeah, absolutely. So TRM Labs is a blockchain intelligence company. And what we do is we help blockchain foundations, fintech, crypto exchanges, law enforcement regulators detect and prevent fraud on the blockchain. So we try to help them be compliant and help their customers stay safe by using blockchain intelligence and enriching that data.
And as we've seen the industry mature, I think we've seen a lot of demand for these kinds of solutions. What are you seeing in the market today?
Yeah, absolutely. I think within the last 12 to 18 months, we've seen a significant explosion in the decentralized finance space and the NFT space. And so we're really seeing a strong movement in that area. And from TRM Labs, we've really expanded our coverage on a lot of the chains that we support. And we're really excited about NFTs and DeFi and living in this multi-chain world. And so I think the future is still looking very bright for the crypto industry.
Yeah, and you've been able to build a lot of collaboration and cooperation among various players in the industry, which is so wonderful to see. The latest announcement that you all shared a couple weeks ago was around the Chainabuse initiative. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're really excited about this. This kind of came half organically at the end of the year, and then just talking to some of our customers and law enforcement and victims, they wanted some type of place where they could self-regulate and report scams associated with various crypto blockchains. And what we noticed is there's some great reporting sites out there, but they're for one chain only. And so we thought it'd be a great idea to create a platform that's multi-chain where individuals could report scams, NFT rug pulls, exploits, ransomware across 7 different blockchains when we initially launched. And we've implemented kind of a community platform vibe as our hope, where users can upvote and downvote reports. And so we're really hoping that the community comes together and moderates some of this reporting that we have coming in. And that's one thing that we've noticed of what's exciting about the crypto industry is that when some of these unfortunate incidents happen, the crypto community rallies together, they work really well together, and we're hoping that Chainabuse can help be an outlet where individuals can report these scams.
Yeah, and I think you've seen that be a characteristic of Web3 is that information sharing, right? And I think sort of that threat intel sharing model, getting that off the ground pretty early on in our, in our industry's lifetime is quite remarkable.
Absolutely.
And so, even since launch, I think you have some anecdotal examples of how this is, making some meaningful change. Are you able to share some of those with us?
Yes, we've seen some interesting reports come in, such as there's a big phenomenon going on right now called pig butchering, and it's a scam that started in Asia and has worked its way across Europe, the United States. We've had a few of those reports come in. I know we had a law enforcement agency reached out. They checked an address and found that one of their cases was associated with the victim they were helping, and so there's very interesting feedback that we're getting so far. And some of it's been around the product. How can we get a browser extension for Chainabuse, or can we get a wallet login? So we're starting to see a lot of this Web3 type things requests come into the Chainabuse product. And so we're super excited about what the future may hold with that.
And, it seems quite simple to use. Can you explain, if I'm a user and I want to report something, how do I go about doing that?
So you go to chainabuse.com, and at the top right of the screen, you can click File a Report. And it's just a quick form field that you either put in a cryptocurrency address or a domain, and you select a category. You can upload a screenshot of the evidence. And then if you, for instance, have a Discord username, a Telegram username, or a GitHub, or whatever it might be associated with the person you're filing on, you can include that in the report.
Great. And as you see, building this out, what do you hope for this to look like in, 6 to 12 months?
Well, right now we currently support Hedera, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. And so we're hoping to expand our blockchain coverage to give more communities the opportunity to report scams and hopefully prevent themselves becoming victims. So over the next 6 to 12 months, we hope to increase our chain adoption, of course, grow our user base, and improve the product based on not what Joe McGill wants or what Chainabuse wants, but we really want to improve the product and make it for the community. So we're really interested in community feedback and really pushing products that the community wants. And so I see that over the next 6 months, hopefully we'll have some product feature updates that the community's asked for.
And if someone wants to share that kind of product feedback, do they just also go to the chainabuse.com website?
That's right. They can contact us at hello@chainabuse.com, or we actually have a Discord server running right now, Chainabuse, and the link is at the bottom left hand of the website. And so we're already receiving some product feedback in our Discord server as well.
That's great. And beyond that, what is up for TRM Labs over the next 6 to 12 months?
Well, TRM Labs over the last year has had some significant growth, and I think that's just because the way that we see the crypto economy. We're very good at taking a step back and looking what's important to the crypto ecosystem, and decentralized finance and NFTs have been something that's dominated. And we have an extremely talented group of engineers. I think that's one group that you don't ever hear much about because they're in the background grinding. But our engineers, I would put them up against any other analytics company or crypto company out there because they're just great. They're always grinding. They're working hard, but they're also very passionate about crypto. And so I think that's a big reason for our success is we have a great team that believes in the mission of creating a safer financial system. And we're also monitoring the biggest trends out there and what the crypto community wants. And I think that's what we're going to continue to do over the next 6 to 12 months.
Indeed, they are the unsung heroes. Well, Joe, thank you for joining us today. Any other thoughts or things you'd like to share with the audience before we let you go?
No, I just thank you for the opportunity to talk about Chainabuse, and reach out anytime if you have product feedbacks. If you have any scams to report, definitely go to chainabuse.com. But we're excited about this platform and looking forward to collaborating with the community on it.
All right. Thank you so much, Joe. Take care.
Thank you. You too.